Alright guys, a little bonus one. I had a snow day at work, so we're just gonna do some bonus footage. It's not gonna be like the other one, probably just a bunch of donuts with the GTR on ice. I know I said I wouldn't take it out again, but the spot's too perfect. And yeah, we're just gonna have a fun snow time. Enjoy. I noticed this car earlier. I slid down the hill one of the earlier days of the snow, and I'm surprised it didn't go down further, but I'll get on video here real quick.
Oh dang, yeah, that's scary, dude.
Maybe we'll walk around in a little bit, but he slid down there and we're about to go up there, but it's pretty clear now. All right, here we are. We're gonna go in there. I don't know if you recognize that spot, but that's where we took the 32 on that rainy day and had some fun. So now it's the GTR's turn, but with snow and ice, so it should go a little better than last time. I don't have to get on it more. It might not be as loud, but we should get more sliding action, so that's why I'm doing it today. Nice sheet of ice. Slippery out here, so it's gonna be fun. Again, summer tires, so you know, I already cleaned it up all in the garage the other day after taking it last time, but just clean it again, no big deal. So I'm gonna take some pictures real quick, and then we'll do some spinnies. Man, it is definitely cold. So it's like, was it 24 degrees or something right now? So we had a nice little extra layer of snow last night, just a little bit, but to get on top of the ice. So very people had some fun out here. Yeah, just letting it warm up for a little bit more, and then we'll have fun. It was effortless, but harder. I could like get no traction, even when I was spinning out, so. But man, that was a lot of fun though. A lot more fun this time. We got a Subaru up here. Heck yeah. See, I'm hoping more people are gonna come up here so I can record them, but I think he was up here last night. I came up here last night. Was that a little better this time? It's not as dirty this time though, because mainly just ice, so it'll be easier to clean. Yeah, she's looking good though. So this is 2 days after my last video. I don't know when I'm going to upload this one, but since there's not much action going on as far as content, I'll go ahead and just upload this. Oh, I got recorded. Ooh. Nice save, nice save. But hopefully you can see it. We can't zoom in on the GoPro, but I hope you guys enjoyed anyways. All right, we got some WRX action going on now. Try to record. Woo! Look at that. I'll try to zoom in. I don't know who this is, but it's cool. Just got some locals ripping it. JR, where you at, man? Just kidding, I know you're working. Oh, that that looked close on the camera. Oh, throwing in reverse. I like it. Oh, he's getting close to those curves. Just trying to record everything going on here. Dancing on ice, synchronized ice skating. I'm gonna have a lot more editing than I thought. See, this is what I was hoping for. Anyways, we'll see how the video turns out. I might go again just for a little bit, but I'm trying to save my tires for the track. But luckily it's ice, so it doesn't really hurt it too much. So before I end the video, I decided to stop right here, and we're gonna check out this car that fell down this hill here. So let's go and check it out. Look how took out that sign. Yeah, all these bushes saved him for sure. Hopefully the car's not too damaged. I mean, but mailboxes are saved. Folding his mirrors for good parking though. Took out that street sign though. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, it's steep. Well, on that note, I'm glad I didn't end like that. So anyways, hope you guys have a good one. Peace.